engine and the transmission out. First time pulling them. We did it together. Glad we did, because originally I was just gonna order toe boards. We're gonna do the whole firewall all together with the toe boards. We're just gonna go ahead and replace that. I don't know if that was from me or not. I'm sure some of it was. Yeah, the quality of the engine hoist, not bad. It was freezing, so I stopped filming, and I was tired of it, just wanted to get it over with. I didn't even bolt these down all the way. Probably should have.